Hi, this is Denise from Realize Your Art Garden Studio, and today I'm going to take you through two things. It's all of my plant starts that I am getting ready in the next, I'd say probably 3-4 weeks to get them in the ground. But behind me are my last round of seedlings that I'm starting, and I'll show you those right now. Those are the ones that you just start 3 to 4 weeks before your last frost. And then I'll take you out into the greenhouse and show you some of my bigger plant starts that I started back in February, March, etc., and show you where we are with those. Okay, let's take a quick view of these seed starts first. So up here on top, I actually have a coleus that's in hospice, but in this first little bucket, I have all of my brassicas. So in there, I have broccoli, cauliflower, and some kohlrabi, as well in the back. 2 buckets. I have my third round of basil. I have some acorn squash that is just starting to come up and get ready to go. I have my zucchini, my garbanzo beans. This is the first time I'm ever growing garbanzos. See how those go. I have various cucumber plants. I still have one more style of cucumber that I'm going to be starting. I have my black bean starts, and then all the rest of these are my last round of zinnias that I'm starting to go into the ground. For the most part, I always direct sow zinnias, but this year I thought I'd also start some zinnias beforehand to get a good start on them. Okay, now let's go out to the greenhouse. And then inside here, on this first row, I have a combination, a few flowers, some calendula. I also have some tomatoes, tomatillas, and a lot of calendula are all back there. Some of them are really pretty. Then down here, I have some eggplant, some dill. I also have some basil, nasturtium. And then down on this lower level, again, some more tomatoes, nice smaller tomatoes. And then over here, just hanging out, I have quite a few larger tomatoes already starting to flower, so I've started pollinating them as well. Over here, I have my basil, my additional nasturtium. I have lots of marigolds because I companion plant marigolds within all of my beds. And then again, more tomato plants. And then finally over here, I have some additional tomato plants. Obviously, you can tell I like tomatoes and use quite a few of them. And then down here, I have my mustard greens. I have 2 varieties of mustard greens. My goal this year is to let them go to seed and make some good mustard. So stay tuned for that because that'll be a lot of fun to try that out for the first time. All right, that is a quick overview of my starter plants for this season.